Hello, everyone. I want to show you how you can use reports on your Moodle course to send out notifications to remind students to do something. So during this week, I've informed students that they need to either be enrolled in the course by Thursday midnight and also submit that they agree to the syllabus. So here's how you can easily find out who has not agreed to the syllabus or who has not completed the course syllabus agreement. To access reports in your course, click the little drop-down box next to the hamburger icon, which is your course settings, and select More. This is where you have more course administration tools. Click the Reports tab and then go to Course Participation. You can do this with any activity. So we're going to select, it's a choice activity, syllabus agreement. We're going to, by default, it says show only manager. We're going to select learner and we're going to show post actions and all participants and select go. This will show you, I'm going to say show all 57. I have 3 sections in this particular course, and see where it shows the no, who has not submitted. So I'm going to say select all no, and then I'm going to send a message. See how it's automatically selected all the no's, and then send a message and click OK. And here's where you can write your message. And then just simply select send message. So this is the way you can do this with any kind of activity or assignment to send out reminders to your students. And that's it.